The mystery of Thai. Other's local language teacher discovers why Thai learners always sound like confused tourists. The answer will shock you. Hey everyone! Cody here, and boy oh boy, do I have a story for you today. You know, just last week I was sitting in a coffee shop in Bangkok, eavesdropping on a conversation between two Thai friends. Don't judge me, it's research. Anyway, they were talking about organizing a birthday party, and I noticed something absolutely fascinating. In the span of just 5 minutes, they used 4 completely different ways to say what we English speakers would simply call other people. 4 different ways. I'm sitting there with my notebook, scribbling down these words, and suddenly it hit me like a lightning bolt. This is why so many of you tell me you feel lost in Thai conversations. This is the missing piece of the puzzle that's been driving language learners crazy for years. Picture this, you're at a Thai party, feeling pretty confident about your Thai skills. Someone starts talking about inviting more people, and suddenly everyone's using these mysterious words that all seem to mean the same thing. You're nodding along, pretending you understand, but inside you're thinking, wait, what's the difference between all these words? Aren't they all just talking about other people? Sound familiar? I thought so. Here's what blew my mind, and what's going to blow yours too. Thai people don't just randomly choose these words. Oh no, they're actually painting detailed pictures with every single choice they make. It's like they're master artists, and each word is a different color on their palette. When a Thai person chooses one word over another, they're telling you a story. They're giving you context. They're revealing exactly how they see the situation in their mind. And once you understand this secret code, everything changes. I'm talking about going from confused tourists to confident conversationalists. I'm talking about Thai people stopping mid-sentence to ask where you learned to speak so naturally. I'm talking about finally understanding not just what Thai people are saying, but how they're thinking. Now, I know what you're thinking. Cody, this sounds complicated. I can barely remember basic Thai vocabulary, and now you're telling me there are 4 different ways to say the same thing? Stop right there. This is actually going to make your life easier, not harder. Once you understand the logic behind these choices, you'll never mix them up again. It's like learning to ride a bike, difficult at first, but once it clicks, you never forget. Today, I'm going to share with you the exact breakthrough that changed everything for me and hundreds of my students. We're going to crack the code together. We're going to unlock the secret that makes Thai people think, wow, this foreigner really gets it. But here's the best part, this isn't just about grammar. This is about understanding the Thai mind. When you master how Thai people categorize the world around them, you're not just learning a language. You're learning to see the world through Thai eyes. Are you ready to stop being confused and start being confident? Are you ready to discover why this one lesson could be the game changer in your Thai learning journey? Then buckle up, language adventurers, because we're about to dive deep into the fascinating world of how Thai speakers talk about others, and trust me, by the end of this lesson, you'll never listen to Thai conversations the same way again. Let's unlock this mystery together. How Thai speakers talk about others, your gateway to natural conversation. Hey there, language adventurers. I'm Cody, and I've got something exciting to share with you today. Have you ever been in a Thai conversation where everyone's talking about other people and you're completely lost? You know what I mean, they're saying things like,
อีกคนหนึ่ง คนอื่น
and you're thinking, wait, aren't these all just other people? Well, buckle up because today we're cracking the secret code of how Thai people distinguish between different types of others, and trust me, once you master this, you'll sound like you've been speaking Thai your whole life. The big reveal, it's all about context. Here's the headline that will change your Thai forever. Thai has 4 different ways to say other people, and each one tells a different story. In English, we're pretty lazy about this, right? We just say other people or someone else and call it a day. But Thai speakers? They're like master storytellers, every word choice paints a picture. Let me show you what I mean. Chapter 1, The More People Are Coming story. Picture this, you're at a Thai barbecue party, and your friend suddenly says,
อีก
E.g. sounds like eek in English. This little word is your clue that more is happening. The magic word.
อีก
Think of EG like the English word ego but cut short EG. This word means more, additional, or another when you're adding to what already exists. Real-life examples. Scenario 1. The restaurant wait. 5 more students haven't entered yet.
นักเรียนอีก5คนยังไม่เข้ามา
Sounds like NAKRAN IKA KONYAN MAKAUMA.
นักเรียนอีก5คนยังไม่เข้ามา นักเรียนอีก5คนยังไม่เข้ามา นักเรียนอีก5คนยังไม่เข้ามา
Scenario 2. The surprise guests. More friends are arriving.
มีเพื่อนมาอีก
Sounds like me pulling my eek.
มีเพื่อนมาอีก มีเพื่อนมาอีก มีเพื่อนมาอีก
Scenario 3. The movie night plan. We're going to watch a movie with 2 more people.
พวกเราจะดูหนังกับคนอีก2คน
Sounds like Pueke Roja Dunan Gap Kon Ik Somkon.
พวกเราจะดูหนังกับคนอีก2คน พวกเราจะดูหนังกับคนอีก2คน พวกเราจะดูหนังกับคนอีก2คน
Notice how EG always suggests adding to an existing group? It's like saying plus 1 more in English. Chapter 2. The specific other person's story. Now, what if you're talking about one specific person from a group? Thai has a beautiful phrase for this.
อีกคนหนึ่ง
The phrase.
อีกคนหนึ่ง
Pronounce it like eat kon nung. Imagine saying I can earn but replace I can earn with eat kon nung. Storytime examples. The soccer team selection. One kid is already playing soccer. The other one hasn't played yet.
เด็กคนหนึ่งเล่นฟุตบอลแล้วอีกคนหนึ่งยังไม่ได้เล่น
Sounds like date kon nun len football leo. Eat kon nun yan my dai len.
เด็กคนหนึ่งเล่นฟุตบอลแล้วอีกคนหนึ่งยังไม่ได้เล่น เด็กคนหนึ่งเล่นฟุตบอลแล้วอีกคนหนึ่งยังไม่ได้เล่น เด็กคนหนึ่งเล่นฟุตบอลแล้วอีกคนหนึ่งยังไม่ได้เล่น
The shopping trip question. What did the other person buy?
อีกคนหนึ่งซื้ออะไร
Sounds like eat kon nun suarai.
อีกคนหนึ่งซื้ออะไร อีกคนหนึ่งซื้ออะไร อีกคนหนึ่งซื้ออะไร
See how this refers to a specific individual from a known group? It's like pointing at someone without using your finger. Chapter 3. The different person entirely story. Here comes my favorite when you want to talk about someone completely different.
คนอื่น
The power phrase.
คนอื่น
Say it like con earn. Think of an ice cream cone and earn money, but make it con earn. This is your go-to when you mean somebody else entirely, a different person, or not this person we're talking about. Drama-filled examples. The concert plan change. He's not going with 9 and OI. He's going with someone else.
เขาจะไม่ไปกับนิดหน่อย เขาจะไปกับคนอื่น
Sounds like cow ja my pi gap night noi. Cow ja pi gap con earn.
เขาจะไม่ไปกับนิดหน่อย เขาจะไปกับคนอื่น เขาจะไม่ไปกับนิดหน่อย เขาจะไปกับคนอื่น เขาจะไม่ไปกับนิดหน่อย เขาจะไปกับคนอื่น
The phone mix-up. Hey, where's the phone? Did you give it to Somchai yet?
โทรศัพท์อยู่ไหน ให้สมชายหรือยัง
Sounds like Torah Sapunai. Hi Somchai Ryong. B. I didn't give it to him. I gave it to someone else.
ฉันไม่ได้ให้เขาฉันให้คนอื่น
Sounds like Chon my die hi cow. Chon hi kon earn. A. Huh. Why? I said don't give it to anyone else.
เอ๊ะทำไมเล่า ฉันพูดแล้วว่าอย่าให้คนอื่น
Sounds like Tam my lao. Chon put leo waya hi kon earn.
โทรศัพท์อยู่ไหน ให้สมชายหรือยัง โทรศัพท์อยู่ไหน ให้สมชายหรือยัง โทรศัพท์อยู่ไหน ให้สมชายหรือยัง ฉันไม่ได้ให้เขาฉันให้คนอื่น 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 เอ๊ะทำไมเล่า ฉันพูดแล้วว่าอย่าให้คนอื่น เอ๊ะทำไมเล่า ฉันพูดแล้วว่าอย่าให้คนอื่น เอ๊ะทำไมเล่า ฉันพูดแล้วว่าอย่าให้คนอื่น
For multiple different people, you can say,
คนอื่น
Con un sounds like con earn or get fancy with.
ๆ พวกที่เหลือ
Phuk tilua sounds like pue ke tila, meaning the rest or those remaining. Chapter 4, The Fresh Face Story. Sometimes another person means someone brand new. Enter
คนใหม่
the fresh word.
คนใหม่
Pronounce it like konmai, easy as pie. New beginnings examples. The job hiring. The company will hire a new person to work.
บริษัทจะรับคนใหม่เข้าทำงาน
Sounds like Borisat ja rap koma kao tamnon.
บริษัทจะรับคนใหม่เข้าทำงาน บริษัทจะรับคนใหม่เข้าทำงาน บริษัทจะรับคนใหม่เข้าทำงาน
The class welcome. The teacher introduces the new person to friends.
ครูแนะนำคนใหม่ให้เพื่อนรู้จัก
Sounds like Kru nainam koma hai poen rujak.
ครูแนะนำคนใหม่ให้เพื่อนรู้จัก ครูแนะนำคนใหม่ให้เพื่อนรู้จัก ครูแนะนำคนใหม่ให้เพื่อนรู้จัก
Chapter 5, The Nobody Else Story. Finally, when there's absolutely nobody else, Thai gives you two powerful phrases. Option 1.
ไม่มีใครอื่น
Sounds like Mimi Cryer means no one else besides you. Option 2.
ไม่มีใครอีก
Sounds like Mimi Cryik means no one in addition.
ไม่มีใครอื่น 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 ไม่มีใครอีก ไม่มีใครอีก ไม่มีใครอีก
Romantic and practical examples. The sweet promise. I love only you. There's no one else.
ฉันรักเธอคนเดียวไม่มีใครอื่น
Sounds like Chan Rak Turkon DL. Mimi Cryern.
ฉันรักเธอคนเดียวไม่มีใครอื่น ฉันรักเธอคนเดียวไม่มีใครอื่น ฉันรักเธอคนเดียวไม่มีใครอื่น
The event planning. Is anyone else going to help with work?
มีใครจะช่วยงานอีกไหม
Sounds like me cry ja chuan on ikmai. B. There's nobody else.
ไม่มีใครอีกแล้ว
Sounds like my me cry ikleo.
มีใครจะช่วยงานอีกไหม 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 ไม่มีใครอีกแล้ว ไม่มีใครอีกแล้ว ไม่มีใครอีกแล้ว
The memory palace technique. Here's how to remember these forever.
อีก
Think extra, more of what you have.
อีกคนหนึ่ง
Eat kon nung, the specific other one.
คนอื่น
Kon earn a different kon, different person.
คนใหม่
Kon my new kon, new person.
ไม่มีใครอื่น ไม่มีใครอีก
I cry because there's nobody else. Your challenge awaits. Listen, here's the truth. Most Thai learners give up on these subtle differences and just point or use body language. But you? You're different. You're the person who's going to walk into a Thai conversation and use these phrases so naturally that Thai people will do a double take and wonder where you learned to speak like that. These aren't just grammar rules, they're your keys to understanding the Thai mind. When you master how Thai people categorize others, you're not just learning vocabulary, you're learning to think like a Thai person thinks. So here's my challenge to you. This week, try to use each of these phrases at least once. Notice how Thai people react when you use them correctly. Watch their faces light up when they realize you understand not just what they're saying, but how they're thinking about the world. Remember, every Thai conversation is like a puzzle, and these other people words are some of your most important puzzle pieces. Once you've got them, the whole picture starts to make sense. You've got this. Now go out there and start referring to people like the Thai language champion you're becoming. The Thai-speaking world is waiting for you. Hey there, amazing language learners. Wow, what a journey we just took together. I hope your mind is absolutely blown right now, because we just unlocked one of the biggest secrets in the entire language. We discovered why so many learners feel confused in conversations, and more importantly, we found the solution. Think about what we just learned. We explored how speakers use 4 completely different ways to talk about other people, and each way tells a unique story. We discovered the more people coming category, the specific person from a group category, the totally different person category, and the brand new person category. Plus, we learned how to say nobody else in 2 powerful ways. This isn't just grammar, friends. This is the key to thinking like a local. When you understand these distinctions, you're not just learning vocabulary, you're learning to see the world through local eyes. You're learning to paint pictures with your words, just like native speakers do. But here's the thing, and I want you to really hear this: one lesson isn't enough. Language learning is like building muscle. You need to practice, repeat, and absorb this knowledge deeply. I encourage you to watch this lesson again and again. Each time you watch, you'll notice something new. Each time, the concepts will become more natural, more automatic. Don't just watch once and move on. Come back to this lesson. Let it sink into your brain. Practice the memory techniques we shared. Try to use these concepts in real conversations. Watch how people react when you use them correctly. This is how you transform from a confused learner into a confident speaker. I believe in you. I really do. Every single one of you has the potential to speak naturally and confidently. You have the ability to surprise locals with how well you understand that language and culture. But it takes dedication. It takes practice. It takes coming back to lessons like this one and really absorbing the knowledge. And here's where I need your help, my amazing language family. Creating these lessons takes enormous time and energy. I spend hours researching, writing, recording, and editing to bring you the best possible content. I do this because I'm passionate about helping you succeed. I want to see you living your dreams, speaking confidently, connecting with people in meaningful ways. But I can only continue making these videos with your support. If this lesson helped you understand something new, if it made the language clearer, if it gave you confidence, please show your support. Hit that subscribe button right now. It's free, but it means everything to me. When you subscribe, you're telling me that this content matters to you. You're encouraging me to keep creating, keep teaching, keep helping learners like you achieve their dreams. Don't forget to ring that notification bell too. I upload new lessons regularly, and the bell makes sure you never miss the latest breakthrough techniques and secrets. And if you're serious about coming to Thailand, living like a local, speaking confidently with everyone you meet, then this channel is your best friend. We're building a community of dedicated learners who support each other and celebrate each victory together. Your like and subscription don't just help me, they help other learners find this content too. You're helping spread knowledge and confidence to language learners all around the world. So please, hit subscribe, hit that bell, and let's continue this incredible journey together. Your Thai-speaking dreams are waiting, and I'm here to help you achieve them, one lesson at a time. Thank you for being part of this amazing community. Now go practice, and I'll see you in the next lesson.